Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1956 Austin Heaeley 100 BN2 Roadster. Finished in Colorado red, black interior, black top, and tonneau cover, 4-speed overdrive, 48-spoke chrome wheels. Super nice car that we just purchased out of a collection from Colorado. This car was the recipient of a ground-up restoration, I think about 20 years ago. We're gonna look through the receipts, but I think it was right around maybe 2005. But super good car, totally done correctly. Everything done, documented, rebuilt driveline, chrome, rubber, paint, restoration down to the bare chassis. Really nicely done and very correctly finished in this Colorado red with black interior. I think we have the heritage certificate that we're going to post, but still presents just beautifully, as you can see here. We're going to spend a little time playing with panel gaps. You can see, you know, on these early cars, they did have a challenge to get panel fit and gapping, you know, correct. So we're going to spend some time getting the doors aligned up and you know, definitely make a big improvement. The door fits nicely here, but you can see we're just going to play with the latch system there to get that shutting and closing nicely. But yeah, really good car. We're going to post some, you have a look at the undercarriage photos. Super good, solid, straight car underneath, but recipient of a ground-up restoration with few miles. This gentleman had 5 or 6 cars in the collection, so I think all of his joy was restoring these cars, and then when they were finished, they just had very minimal mileage, just over to club events. So ravishing paintwork here, just really beautiful. I don't think our walk-around video with this iPad's gonna put the car into justice here, but yeah, great chrome. You can see here just beautiful gleaming chrome, you know, clear coat gloss paint work all the way around. We've posted some laid down paint work all the way around. We've posted some laid down windshield photos. This car was signature for having that excellent looking laid down windshield for the racing position. We've got the wipers, comes with a black top, tonneau cover, thick file of all the restoration work that's been done with all the receipts. So very, very well documented ground-up restoration here. Beautiful set of chrome wire wheels. So let's take a look at this car's interior. Beautifully done, beautifully trimmed interior. Original steering wheel, trafficator, black painted dashboard with the silver insert, which is correct for this color scheme. Looks like it's had a moss panel kit, carpet kit, brand new top, seats have been trimmed, armrest. This gentleman was a stickler for making things correct and very original to his cars. In the trunk, there's a very thick file there, which we're going to be going through of all the receipts, but properly trimmed trunk in Armacord, spare 48 spoke painted. Partial toolkits included. Let's take a look at this car's engine. Partial toolkits included. Let's take a look at this car's engine bay. So the engine bay on this car is show condition. We're going to be posting a driving video of this car shortly, but you can see here beautifully finished in the correct steel dust gray, correct air cleaners, correct H4 carbs, VIN plate, engine number, you know, correct fan, correct wire hose clamps, bumblebee style ignition wires, you know, stickers, decals, everything. So really nicely done engine compartment. Yeah, there it is. So we'll do a final walk around here with the wrap up. And yeah, Colorado red. I think it was the first year that they switched over to Colorado versus Reno red. So this is a very ravishing, vibrant kind of bright red, similar to the Riverside red on American Corvettes of the same period. Tripod headlamps. But yeah, if you're looking for a fully done car in this market with these huge rising restoration costs, this is a great one. This is our 1956 Austin Heaeley 100 BN2 4-speed overdrive convertible. Roadster. Black interior, black weather equipment, chrome 48 spoke wire wheels, slightly older ground up restoration to excellent standards. We're going to be posting a driving video shortly, and this car is now on the market. It's for sale on our website, www.tonneu.com.